Hi everyone, today is a very quick video. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about collecting payment fees for when you're operating the pay per lead space. All right, so let's say you've landed your first few clients and they're talking about payment terms. So the first thing I would say is that you should never ever risk your own money in the pay per lead game. Okay, so let's say you've landed a new client in a new vertical you know nothing about. I see people say, it's going to be fine, I'll just land a client and I'll offer them 10 free leads or whatever that is, okay? And that's the worst thing you can do, because A, you don't know how to generate the leads yet, and B, when you give free leads to clients, they don't appreciate them. They could be working these leads, they could be sending these leads to their C team, the people that are, been out drinking the night before, their lazy team, the ones that have got hangovers and aren't very good at what they do, because they're not paying for these leads. They've got nothing to lose, all right? And meanwhile, you're risking your own money and they're likely not going to reorder. And I see this happen time and time again, and I don't think it's ever worked out for anyone entering a new industry risking their own money, okay? The one caveat to that is, if you're in an industry that is extremely profitable for you, and you already know your cost per lead, it's already working for you, then you can afford to give someone some free leads, okay? Because you know how much it's going to cost you, you know the leads convert, and you're off to the races, all right? Sometimes that works and it's a very good way to land clients, but that's only for an advanced tactic, all right? The way that we charge in most cases is payment upfront a week before. So let's say a client orders 100 leads from us at 20 bucks a lead, 50 bucks a lead, let's just say 50 bucks a lead. We will bill those people for $5,000 on Friday and generate the leads the next week, all right? And some people might think that that's unreasonable, but honestly, in the pay per lead industry, this is the norm. And for probably 75% of our students, our clients within our agency, this is what we do. And a lot of our students operate on the same basis, all right? If you are new to an industry and you're not sure what your cost per lead is going to be or the quality of those leads, we tell our students to operate on a hybrid deal. So you can speak to a client and say, listen, we're new to this industry, we've got experience in another industry, but we want to start in this new industry and we want to have some clients where we can grandfather you into a really special deal. And we're not going to get paid unless you guys convert leads, but we need you to stump up the ad spend. And we call this the hybrid deal, okay? So if you think about it, you would say to the client, let's spend $5,000 over a 2-week period, and we're going to test the market, get you leads, we're going to build the funnel for you for free, we're going to be able to segment the leads and blah, 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 all that type of stuff. And at the end of that 2-week period, you're going to have a number of leads, and if you convert some of them, then we'll share some of the revenue with you. But if you don't convert them and it doesn't work, then we're not going to take any payment at all for doing this. Your ad spend is on the line only, all right? And that's a really attractive way to land some clients that are open to trialing someone new, because these people are after leads after all, okay? That's the lifeblood of their business. So to recap, whatever you do, spend your own money unless you're extremely experienced. If you are experienced in an industry, then you should be charging upfront and getting paid on Fridays, at worst 1 week in arrears. And the last thing is, if you don't have any experience, then you should try and negotiate a hybrid deal. And all of these 3 things work, okay? I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video.